feels like I was just here yesterday, but can you believe it's been months? Hi, Sophia. Good to see ya. Is everything okay?
Oh, Bianca! What a surprise! It's nice to see you, and I'm so glad you're here. Had I known you were coming, I would have made sure Summer stayed, even if I had to lock her in the salt cave.
Yeah. Where is Summer? I didn't see her van out front. Is she teaching a yoga class or something? Diversifying the business a little bit?
Well, not exactly. I mean, yes, business is doing really well, actually. But with tax season coming up and me trying to fix all of this, I'm glad you're here.
Oh boy. Okay. It sounds like I'm gonna need something stronger than my half-calf soy latte here. What's going on?
Well, Summer and I had an argument this morning. I borrowed her van and found all of these receipts stuffed everywhere. Some were supplies purchases, others looked like sales receipts. Some might be personal, but I couldn't tell. They were such a mess. When I asked her what these were doing in the van instead of our files, she told me the chaos of clutter is good for practicing centering oneself. And, well, naturally, you can imagine how upset I was.
Naturally.
So here we are. Business has been growing, and we've been doing good. And yet she's at it again. When I tried to tell her we have to stay organized, she walked out and then drove off. I thought our books were solid, but now I'm not so sure. I was already nervous about tax season, and this just makes me question everything.
Well, Sophia, I'm sorry you and Summer always seem to find yourselves here. But with reconciliation, these things can't just happen unexpectedly like this.
Bianca, I mean, even though she drives me crazy and we get into it sometimes, we always reconcile. But I'm not sure how that will keep it from happening again, though.
Oh, honey, I mean reconcile your books. Reconciliation is a process every business should take to ensure there are no errors or surprises in your accounts, on your books, or in your system. It's a surefire way to summer-proof your business.
Well, it looks like I need a bit more education on how to do this, because I'm not willing to rely on Summer's spirit guides to keep us in check.
Good call. Remember I told you that with family, you've got to do things by the book. You can love them, but you've got to verify your business by more than a feeling, am I right? That's where reconciliation comes in. Since we didn't cover this in full detail when talking about the accounting cycle, let's dig in and help these sisters out.